Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Google Meet in Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's get started. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you open it, please type at the upper search bar Google Meet, download, and go to this first option of results. Okay? Once you're here, it has this first option, which is the first link. Please click that. Make sure that you only visit the website, which is meet.google.com. Okay? Now here's the catch. In order to install it, look at this search window. Here, aligning this is it has this icon. Just simply press that to install Google Meet. Okay? Then it will ask you to install app. Just go to install to download. Okay. So once done, you will be redirected to this window which you have actually installed the Google Meet. Okay. Now here you can simply start a new meeting, create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar, or you can enter a code or link that you want to join. Okay. So Google Meet is good for web conference, good for online session or online classes, whatever purpose that you have. Google Meet is a very good application it has this very good features that you can connect, collaborate and celebrate from anywhere with this platform. Okay? So if you want to uninstall this, you can simply click the three dots here and go for uninstall Google Meet. And then it asks you to uninstall the app, just go for uninstall and it will be automatically deleted. Okay? So those are the steps on how to install Google Meet. Hope you learned something for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.